Schiltach is located in the upper Kinsish Valley in the central part of the Black Forest, to the northeast of Triberg and the south of Freudenstadt. There are two train stations in Schiltach. Schiltach Mitte is the closest one to the center of the town, while the main Schiltach railway station is about 15 minutes walk to the town. This small town of Schiltach offers everyone the chance to see how a small Black Forest settlement looked like centuries ago. With its medieval heart full of half-timbered framed houses, is considered one of the top tourist destinations in the Black Forest. So if you are in Germany and are not sure if Schiltach should be included in your itinerary, keep watching, because in this video, I have put together some of the interesting things to see in Schiltach. The town is pretty small, so it is easy to stroll on foot. Half-timbered houses, a vibrant history, and picturesque squares await visitors to this small town of Schiltach. The wooden houses in the narrow streets of Schiltach suffered from outbreaks of fire over the centuries, and the area around the marketplace and church was destroyed and rebuilt on a number of occasions. Until today, the town exhibits a picture-perfect scene characterized by a medieval townscape. Schiltach's old town is one of the most famous and beautiful destinations in the Black Forest. A stroll through the old town is like a dreamy journey in the past. Artfully renovated half-timbered houses, a 16th century town hall, and a centuries-old fountain line the market square and the romantic alleyways. The square around the fountain has been the setting for traditional markets and festivals several times a year for centuries. The town is a bit hilly, therefore it gives more favor to create viewing platform where anyone can sit and enjoy the scenic background. Not only that, in Schiltach, ruins of a castle on one of the hills above the town were discovered around 60 years ago, and it is thought that the fortification dates from the early 12th century. If you have enough breath, you can climb to the 417-meter high Schlossberg, on which Schiltach Castle was built centuries ago. Since it was demolished, unfortunately, nothing can be seen of it today. However, the ascent is always worthwhile as you enjoy the scenic view of the old town. As I descend from the mountaintop to the historic old town, I made myself the bridge over the Schiltach River. The view from the bridge along Schiltach River is iconic. Both river banks have promenade walks, benches to rest, and a nice-looking cafe and restaurants. It provides the ideal backdrop for a cozy get-together in one of the charming cafes and restaurants. It's an ideal place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and truly unwind. Schiltach developed an important center for timber rafting and tanning industries, which help its economic and cultural heritage. In other words, wood trade and rafting made the town wealthy. 3 tanks were tied together into long rafts and floated downstream to the Rhine. Then they were taken apart and sold, and the rafters returned home on foot. A typical raft is on display by the river next to a historical sawmill, which is now a museum. Indeed, Schiltach is a town unique on its own merits and a living piece of Black Forest history. During my visit, the picture-perfect town with winding alleys and picturesque half-timbered houses surrounded by wooded mountains allow me to enjoy the flair of a good old days. It is a wonderful place to discover nature. I hope that this video helps you appreciate the town even more. Before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!